Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a place in your city you have been to where you can see wildlife. Example animals, birds, insects, plants. You should say where it is, when you went there, what wildlife you can see there, and explain how you feel about it. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am quite fond of traveling and like exploring new places, either with my near and dear ones or just on my own. And today, I would like to speak about the famous Jim Corbett National Park, which lies in the outskirts of my city in the state of Uttarakhand. So outskirts of city means outer parts of the city. That means not the main area of the city. Moreover, I visited this place between the months of April to June as the core area of the park remains open for the public as well as temperatures are soaring high and hence it is predicted to be the ideal time for sighting the ferocious tigers. So core area means central or main. Soaring high means very or extremely high. Sighting means viewing and ferocious means scary. Additionally, I went there with my family members and was lucky enough to see majestic Asian elephants, wild deer, monkeys, as well as few unique birds with long beaks. So majestic means big or huge. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, I enjoyed the open jeep ride amidst the lush green surroundings in the national park, along with the added excitement of catching a glimpse of the leopard which went deep into the forest soon after hearing the vehicle's noise. So to catch a glimpse means to see for a very short time. I also got an opportunity to see a wide range of flora and fauna species in their natural habitats, as well as the long, dense sal and coniferous pine trees. So flora means plants and fauna means animals. Habitat means natural home or environment of plants or animals. And sal is a type of tree. Finally, I feel on seventh heaven as visiting Corbett Park helps me to escape from the hustle and bustle of the city and rejuvenate amidst the tranquil backdrop of Mother Nature, while at the same time developing stronger bonds with my near and dear ones, relaxing and de-stressing myself completely. So we have used a couple of idioms here, which is feel on seventh heaven, which means to be very happy. And the next one is hustle and bustle of the city, which means away from the busy atmosphere of the city. And tranquil means peaceful. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.